From a young age, many people have hopes of becoming rich. Hearing about getting rich, everyone's mind jumps. Greed is born in the mind. How to get rich, how quickly you can get rich, these things go around in the mind. Regardless of food, everyone wants to live a luxurious life, to be a little happy. But not everyone can be rich, some try and succeed or some try in vain. They cannot use the opportunity to get rich because they do not know the right way. In today's video I will share you 7 rules. If you follow these rules you can become rich very quickly. Before starting the video, subscribe the channel by giving a like to the video. Let's start the video. Number 1. Start a small business. If you are employed, you can start a small business in time. Because it is not possible to earn a lot of money at a young age by working because the money is available in the job. So small business should be started and that business should be planned. It is not the first business that will get good results. But invest yourself in business with patience, success will come. Number 2. Invest wisely. Wisdom is the key to investing. Because it is natural that if you invest in the wrong place like a fool without thinking, you will face losses. So make yourself aware of where you invest in any business and some of the dividends will be credited to your account. Try to use your wisdom and knowledge to invest in such a way that you don't have to face losses. Number 3. Try not to borrow. If you have to borrow every month to get through the month, you will never be able to keep any of your earnings. As a result, your money will increase in number. As a result, you will fall behind. Avoid borrowing or taking loans. If you are in trouble at the end of the month, do not develop the habit of borrowing or lending unless you are in dire straits. Because it acts like a kind of retreat. That will divert you from the path of becoming rich. Number 4. Stop spending money on buying extra and unnecessary things. Eliminate the habit of buying extra and unnecessary things altogether. Many people are fond of expensive mobiles or many other things. But it will continue even if you read it. Because rich people don't waste money. They rather save money and invest that money in some necessary work, and at the end of the day that amount doubles. And to be rich, it is very important to be qualified in this quality. So if you give up these unnecessary things with a little difficulty now, it will improve your future. Number 5. Make a financial plan. Financial planning is very important in business. No business is done without a plan. And in all cases there is no alternative to planning. Finance is a very important issue in any business. If you are a small business owner, it is very important. Spend according to the source of income. Keep an account of it. Unaccountable people cannot make progress in life. So make a financial plan for yourself. Number 6. Find ways to earn money. Don't just sit back and think you're going to get rich hoping for a job. Sitting for a job will never increase your money. And it is not possible to become rich if the amount of money does not increase. So do something else besides the job. Try opening a small business. Increase your income from 25 years. Number 7. Keep an account of every money. Keep an account of where, when, for what you are spending. It is never possible to get rich by spending money recklessly. Maybe humans can tell you in kit. But still digest a little titkari to secure your future. Follow these rules and you will see results in a few days.